Hey everybody, in this video, I am going to attempt to create the piston cap. I've never did this one before, so every time I do something for the first time, it's probably, it's probably not a good thing, but I've looked at this and I'm trying to think of the best way to go about creating this. So what I'm going to do is, and it says dimensions are in inches, so I'm just going to do my normal deal here. Create this in inches. We're going to go to Start 2D Sketch. I'm going to draw it on this XZ plane. I'm not even going to bother rotating it this time. I'm being lazy. So I'm going to start a circle, center point. I'm going to drag it out. So that has a diameter of 5.75, like that. Then I'm going to finish my sketch here. I'm going to extrude this thing up by, what is the height of that? 1.5? 1.5. And then I'm going to use the shell. So I'm going to shell the thickness. It looks like that says 0.25. 0.25. And then I want to remove I'll remove the top face, this one. And I'm going to hit OK there. Then what I want to do is I'm going to start a 2D sketch on this top inside flat plane face thingy. I'm going to draw a circle from the center there. And then that thing has I'm trying to look and see what it says. Oh, yeah, that has a diameter of 3.5. Like so. I'm going to finish that sketch. I'm going to extrude cut that all the way through. Hit OK. So there's that kind of thingy. And then we just need to kind of make some holes and some funky stuff at the top. So let's do what I think might be the easiest part of this. What we have left is I'm going to start a 2D sketch again on this inside flat top plane. I'm going to draw a circle. I want to find where the circles of those, center point of those circles go. This thing, it says this is a diameter of 4.25. 4.25. I'm going to click this line and make it a construction line. Yeah. Then I want to make a circle just anywhere on this ring. So not anywhere, but I'll start the top one here. So that, and I'm going to drag it out. That has a, what is that? A diameter of 0.5. So 0.5 for there. Can I drag the circle and move it? Okay, that's what I was afraid of. Let me see if I can, I'm going to vertically constrain this, I think. So from this center to this center, now those are lined up. Now I can't move this. All right, so we have that locked in. And then what I want to do is I'm going to finish this sketch. I want to extrude, cut all the way through, hit OK. I'm going to go to my origin here. I'm looking for that axis that goes right through the center. So this Y-axis, I'm going to right click. I'm going to check on the visibility. And then what I want to do is I'm going to use I keep calling it a polar. It's not polar, it's circular pattern. And so I want to make a pattern of this hole that we did. And for my rotation axis, I'm going to click that. I'm going to pick this vertical axis here. And then let's see how many we have. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We have 8 placements. And they're going around 360. Hit OK there. All right, so there's that. All right, so now comes what probably is going to be the scary part. At least what it looks like. I don't know. We'll figure it out. All right, so the good thing is we only have to create one of these, and then we can do what we just did. We can use a circular pattern and copy them around. So I'm going to start a 2D sketch on this top kind of ring flat surface here. And then I'm going to project geometry. I'm going to project this inside circle here. All right, let's see what I can do. I want to, oh, that's going to have the same. Oh, I can, let me see if I can project the center hole also. I can't. Oh, I can project this up. Now I got the center dot. I can now make a circle using that same center dot because they line up above each other. I can drag, oh, it has the same, oh, it has the same. It has the same diameter as the one below it. So there's that. And then I'm going to draw another circle. And that has a radius of 0.5 or a diameter of 1. This may not be as hard as I thought. All right, so now all I want to do is just draw a line from this. I call it an edge, but it's not really edge. There's no edge in the circle, but from that side straight down, I'm just going to come way down with it, like, but just make sure it's straight. And then do the same thing on this other side. From here straight down. Then I can use my trim. Trim out that, trim out that, trim out that, trim out that. Do I need to trim this too? Maybe not. I don't know if I'll be able to extrude that, but we'll try. I think we're good there. I'm gonna finish my sketch. If this works, we're in business. So I'm gonna extrude. Oh yes, that. I want to extrude it down. I want to extrude it down by, what is that? 0.25. 0.25. Check OK. Nice. All right, so we got one. So then we want to use our circular pattern. I want to click this. I want to click this right here. That. I want to copy that. So my rotation axis, I'm going to click this arrow. I'll pick the same rotation axis here. I don't want that many. I only want 4 of these guys. Or they may be ladies. I don't know. There's 4 of those. And then we're going to hit OK. Haha. That wasn't as bad as I originally thought. So then I'm going to turn off the visibility of this y-axis. Uncheck that. Let me take a look at this and make sure we got it all. I think we're good. I think we're good. What do you think? I think so too. All right. I'm going to go to View, Visual Style, Shade with Edges, click the Shadows, change the lighting to Photo Booth, Piston Cap. Okay, so add your favorite color on there, whatever you want. I'm gonna make this orange or orange red. I like orange because, you know, my favorite team is the Astros. And, you know, we're a World Series champ, the current World Series champ now. Don't be hating. So, yeah, all right. Just make sure you save this as Piston Cap. I don't know. There may be orange piston caps. I have no clue. But there is now. All right, save it. All right, so that we're done with that. The next one really scares me. It looks like the intake flange. But you know what? We're going to get through it like we always do, because that's what we do. We arrive and conquer. All right, see y'all next lesson. Peace.